Dive into the extraordinary world of Leonardo AI, exploring its evolution, applications, and the boundless possibilities shaping our future creativity. Welcome everyone to a fascinating journey into the world of Leonardo AI, a cutting-edge technology developed by OpenAI that promises to revolutionize artificial intelligence as we know it. From its inception to its incredible capabilities and future implications, join us as we unravel the mysteries of Leonardo AI and explore the realms of creativity it unlocks. Understanding Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI stands as a testament to the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Rooted in OpenAI's GPT architecture, this cutting-edge technology surpasses conventional boundaries by amalgamating deep literacy algorithms with a human-like touch. Named after the polymathic genius Leonardo da Vinci, the AI system transcends mere functionality, aiming to harness the power of machine intelligence for unprecedented creativity. Built upon the foundations of the highly successful Generative Pre-trained Transformer (GPT) architecture, Leonardo AI extends beyond the realms of text generation, branching into diverse domains such as visual arts, music, and scientific research. It represents a quantum leap in the evolution of AI, blending analytical prowess with mortal-like creativity. By decoding the intricate patterns of existing art and comprehending various artistic styles, Leonardo AI emerges as a trailblazer in generating original, captivating artwork. Leonardo AI's creative process. The creative genesis of Leonardo AI is a fascinating journey through the intersection of technology and artistic expression. At its core, the AI undergoes an extensive training process, immersing itself in vast datasets that span the spectrum of human creativity. By analyzing and comprehending diverse artworks, musical compositions, literary masterpieces, and scientific papers, Leonardo AI develops a profound understanding of the underlying patterns and structures across various domains. The heart of its creative process lies in the amalgamation of style transfer and original creation. When generating art, Leonardo AI taps into the essence of renowned artists like Van Gogh or Picasso, meticulously replicating their brushstrokes, color palettes, and overall composition. Yet it doesn't merely mimic, it infuses a unique touch, resulting in breathtaking original pieces that encapsulate the spirit of the chosen style. This dual approach, combining imitation and innovation, distinguishes Leonardo AI as a groundbreaking force in the realm of artificial creativity. Ethical considerations and future implications. As we marvel at the prowess of Leonardo AI, ethical considerations emerge on the horizon. The act of AI systems producing art and scientific discoveries prompts important questions about authorship and responsibility. Who deserves credit for AI-generated content, and should there be guidelines governing its use? These are complex issues demanding thoughtful dialogue and proactive solutions to ensure fair and responsible AI practices. Furthermore, the specter of bias looms in AI systems, including Leonardo AI, as they learn from existing data. The imperative to address and rectify biases is paramount, fostering fairness and preventing discriminatory outcomes. Looking ahead, the transformative potential of Leonardo AI raises the bar for collaboration between humans and machines. It beckons a future where ethical frameworks evolve hand in hand with technological advancements, ensuring that AI serves as a force for positive change. Launch of Unity plugin. The announcement of our Unity plugin marks a significant chapter in Leonardo AI's journey as it joins Unity's Verified Solutions program, gaining access to the revered Unity Asset Store. Unity, a globally renowned platform for real-time 3D content, welcomes our AI capabilities into its AI marketplace, symbolizing a profound collaboration between artificial intelligence and game development. As part of Unity's AI marketplace, our dedicated plugin serves as a game changer for developers and artists alike. It streamlines the asset generation process, bringing the full spectrum of Leonardo AI's capabilities directly into Unity's environment. Imagine the convenience of generating textures for 3D models with a few simple steps. Select a model, input a prompt, and apply textures, all within the Unity interface. This integration not only enhances workflow efficiency, but also represents a transformative leap, minimizing the divide between AI-driven creativity and real-time 3D content creation. The Unity plugin paves the way for a seamless fusion of artificial intelligence and game development, opening new avenues for creative expression and innovation. Unity's AI Marketplace. Unity's AI Marketplace emerges as a beacon of innovation within the dynamic landscape of game development. As the world's leading platform for real-time 3D content, Unity has carved its niche as an industry legend, boasting millions of users and serving as the go-to choice for gaming studios of all sizes. The introduction of the AI Marketplace within the Unity Asset Store represents a monumental leap forward, offering curated solutions to accelerate AI-driven game development and enhance gameplay experiences. This dedicated marketplace serves as a hub for developers, providing access to a myriad of innovative AI tools, from dialogue creation to sound effects, music generation, and, crucially, the integration of visual objects. Unity's AI Marketplace empowers developers to explore cutting-edge technologies that redefine the boundaries of game development. Leonardo AI's presence in this marketplace signifies a pivotal moment where the marriage of AI and gaming reaches new heights, unlocking unprecedented possibilities for developers worldwide. Benefits of the Leonardo plugin. Our dedicated Unity plugin, a streamlined version of the robust Leonardo AI API, seamlessly integrates into Unity's environment, enriching the creative process for game developers. The benefits are manifold, starting with the convenience of generating textures for 3D models directly within Unity. This process, marked by its simplicity, involves selecting a 3D model, inputting a prompt, and applying textures, all within the Unity interface. The plugin facilitates an iterative, creative process by storing all generations within Unity, allowing developers to transition effortlessly between current and previous versions. Beyond 3D models, future updates promise to extend this fluidity to 2D images, further expanding the creative toolkit for game developers. The Leonardo plugin, in essence, transforms Unity into a comprehensive AI-driven creative suite, reducing the time spent navigating between platforms and offering a focused, efficient workflow that prioritizes innovation. CEO's perspective. In the words of our co-founder and CEO JJ Fiasson, the launch of Leonardo AI and Unity's new AI marketplace is a momentous occasion that reshapes the narrative of game development. Fiasson expresses unbridled excitement about the integration, foreseeing a paradigm shift in the industry's convenience, efficiency, and creativity. This collaboration signifies more than just a technological milestone. It's a catalyst for positive change in game development. The CEO's perspective sheds light on the transformative impact this partnership holds. It not only expands the creative horizons for existing premium Leonardo AI users, but also introduces our groundbreaking tools to a broader audience within the Unity user base. This strategic expansion serves as a testament to our commitment to constant growth and innovation, as we strive to develop features that cater to a diverse range of developers and artists. Leonardo AI represents a leap forward in AI-driven creativity. The launch of our Unity plugin amplifies its impact, bringing the power of AI-generated content directly into the hands of game developers. As we navigate this new era of collaboration between humans and machines, Leonardo AI stands at the forefront, reshaping industries and unlocking the full potential of human creativity. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.